Do you want to move up to a serious hot sauce? These are habanero peppers, and these are 500 to 600,000 Scoville. That's about 100 times hotter than a jalapeno. Okay, let's try it. Woo! That's hot. Oh, that is hot. So let's prep our mango. Just cut off the bottom so you have a nice stable base. Then you've got the pit running through the middle, so we're just gonna run our knife on either side of the pit. There it is, just sort of feel for it. There we go. Other side. I get as much of the fruit as possible. Put that in a bowl for later. We need some ginger, about an inch, and just cut off the skin. So the last thing we need to prep is the peppers. So we're gonna be very careful. We got our gloves. One's already got a hole. I'm gonna switch gloves. So we're only gonna remove the stems. You can just cut, you don't even need to cut those, just pull them off. All we need to really do is just maybe quarter it, just so we can expose it to the pickling liquid. So this can go straight into your pot. So zero out the scale, and we're gonna measure out 250 of water, sugar, and vinegar. Now we're gonna bring this up to a boil, and that's gonna be like a quick pickle. We'll turn it off and we'll add the mango. I don't wanna cook the mango, I just want the mango to be super fresh. Turn it off, add the mango. So we're gonna work in batches. Just can't hold everything at once, so we'll do half and half and then bring it all together. I'm gonna pass it through this strainer just to get out any little bits. Open carefully so it doesn't blow up in your face. This is just a coarse strainer, so it's not gonna take out much. So I'm gonna put a little squeeze of lime juice right at the end. Super fresh, just for the flavor. So there's our finished sauce. All right, thanks for watching. Okay, I'm just kidding, we're gonna try it. Okay, let's try it. Takes a few seconds. Got that nice mango, it's super fresh. Woo! That's hot. Oh, that is hot. Whew. Have a little of that bread. Let's have a little of that bread. Sweating a little bit. Taste is amazing though. Habanero's got that totally unique flavor. It's like floral, citrusy, fruity. So if you like my video, subscribe and leave me a comment below telling me you subscribed. Thanks for watching.